Python, using format on a Unicode-escaped string. I am using Python 2.6.5. My code requires the use of the more than or equal to sign. Here it goes. Why do I get this error? Is there a right way to do this? I need to use the .format function.
Just make the second string also a Unicode string.
Unicodes need Unicode format strings.
A bit more information on why that happens. Works because print automatically uses the system encoding for your environment, which was likely set to UTF-8. You can check by doing import sys, print sys.scout.encoding, print 0.formats. Fails because format tries to match the encoding of the type that it is called on. I couldn't find documentation on this, but this is the behavior I've noticed. Since string literals are byte strings encoded as ASCII in Python 2, format tries to encode S as ASCII, which then results in that exception. Observe. So that is basically why these approaches work. The source character set is defined by the encoding declaration. It is ASCII if no encoding declaration is given in the source file, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.